Hello everyone and welcome to this JavaScript tutorial video for if-else decisions in JavaScript. We're going to go over what decisions are, how to create decisions, and then we'll run a small example in the browser. So anytime you have to make a choice between a set of decisions, you're going to want to use if, else if, or else statements. Let's go over how to build a couple of these statements, and then we'll go over the conditions for each of these statements. And by running the program, you'll get a better idea of how all of this works. So I created a variable called time, and I assigned it to the value 9. You always want to start a block of decisions with the if statement first. So we're asking if the value of time is less than 10, we should do something inside of this pair of curly braces. In this case, we're going to be assigning the string good morning to this variable greeting and printing it out. Now, what happens if the value of time is not less than 10? Well, we can create another condition called the else if, and instead we're checking to see if time is less than the value 20. And then we would instead print out good day. Again, what if the time value is not less than 10 or less than 20? We can have an else block. Else blocks are used for the final condition in a set of decisions. So else is always the last one you'll use. If is always the first one you'll use. You'll only use else if you have more conditions that you want to check after the first one, but before the last condition. If you only had a pair of conditions you wanted to check, you would use if and else, not else if. So let's go ahead and run this program a few times so you can see what kind of output we get. The console says good morning, and that's because time is equal to 9, which meets the first condition. But what if we put it to 12? We'll see that instead we get good day printed out. Lastly, let's put it to 24. And we can see that good evening was printed out because it didn't match either of these two conditions. That's going to be it for this JavaScript programming tutorial. Stay tuned for more video concepts coming in the near future.